In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you a step-by-step guide how you can install Audacity. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your browser, whether that's Google, Chrome, Firefox, etc. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and simply go ahead and search for Audacity. And then once you search for Audacity, go ahead and click on this link at the top, and I will also link it in the description if you want to click on it from down there. But once you've clicked on here, what you need to go and do is go to the Downloads tab right there at the top and go ahead and choose your operating system. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Windows. And then once you've done that, we need to scroll down a little bit. You can read through this if you want to go ahead and do that. But if you want to go ahead and install Audacity, just go ahead and click on the Audacity 2.4.2 installer. And then it will redirect you to this page here. And then what you want to do once you're at this page is go down and again choose your operating system. So I'm just going to go ahead again and click on Audacity Windows Installer. Go ahead and click that, and it should go ahead and start downloading automatically. So once that's gone ahead and downloaded, all you need to go ahead and do is simply click on the download, and it will open so you can initiate the install steps. So go ahead now and click on yes, and then go ahead and click on OK, or change your language if you are a different language, and then go ahead and click on OK, and then simply click on next. And then go ahead and you can read through this if you want to do that, and then go ahead and click on next again. And then once you're going ahead, you can choose where your files get stored. So it's just gone ahead and created a file for me. So program files / Audacity, go ahead and click on next. And then as you can see, the folder already exists because I've already got Audacity installed on my device. So I'm not going to go ahead and do this, but what you need to go ahead and do is just simply click on next. And what it will do is it will go through the installation stage, and then it will create a shortcut there on your desktop. So it's just as simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.